Hello guys, so this is my 2000 CBR 600 F4. So I have a small puncture in my rear tire, and so I found it's over here. This is the puncture. It's a very small nail. So today I'll show you how to do your puncture on your CBR 600 F4 or any bike for that matter. Let's get started with it. So once you see what it is, so in my option it's a nail. Take a nose plier, fill in some air so it's nice and sturdy. Put a nose plier and try to pull it out. You will need to have these plugs like this to put it in. I'm using a tire plug. You'll need these tools to enlarge the hole and this tool to put it inside. Let's try to get this out now. Okay, wow. What the hell? That's the hole. Okay. Okay, so that's the first thing that you have to do. Let's put this in. Next, what you have to do is take this plug, one of these, put inside this. You'll have a slit inside. Just put it inside the slit. It will take time to put this inside. It will look something like this, and then you have to put it inside. So enlarge it slightly, pull it out, lock it, and have to put this in like this. I think I'll have to put slightly more air. Let me do that. Now you can see it went in. You can go slightly more in. I want about 1 or 2 centimeters out. That's how I like to do it. Pull it out. And it's done. It's fixed. You can cut it slightly more if you want. I usually like to keep it like this. It's gonna look ugly. Yeah, if you really don't want it to be shown, you can get till here. I'll leave it like this, use it and see. We'll cut it in future if I need to.